Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening WhatsApp and confirming the app is updated so settings behave predictably. Once open, tap the three-dot menu on Android or the Settings tab on iPhone because that's where notification controls live. You then choose Settings and tap Notifications. This brings up message and group sound options. Make sure you're on the notifications screen so you can change tones. Doing this prevents confusion between phone sound settings and WhatsApp's in-app notification choices. Next, you select whether to change message, group, or call tones because each can be different and that helps you prioritize alerts. Tap notification tone or sound and then pick from the system list. If your phone allows, add a custom MP3 or M4R by placing it in the ringtones folder so WhatsApp can detect it. Once you choose a sound, confirm the selection. Then test by sending yourself a message to verify the volume and timbre are noticeable without being disruptive. To finish, review vibration, pop-up, and light options and notifications so the alert matches how you want to notice messages. These enhance or reduce reliance on sound. Make sure phone level Do Not Disturb is off and that WhatsApp has permission to play sounds, since system blocks often cause silence. If the tone still doesn't play, restart WhatsApp or reboot the device. This clears temporary config locks. If problems persist, move the audio file to the correct folder or re-download the tone to ensure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.